Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold. And if you want to buy gold, first of all, you need to create yourselves an account right here on TradeWheel. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on the link in the description to get a 100% free account and also supporting the channel by clicking on that link. And then after that, once you did that, you see this screen right here. Then what we're going to do is we go to the search bar and search for XAU US dollar. Then we click right here on XAU US dollar and then we select right here buy. Then we fill in right here the lots that we want to buy. So let's do 0.5 and then we can click here on take profit or stop loss if you want to do that. But we don't do that and click right here on buy to confirm. And right now, if you can see right here, we created ourselves a 0.5 lots volume gold order or position. It's what you want. And this is how you can buy it. So if you have any questions about this video, please comment them below so I can help you out. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.